everyone, welcome back. Good morning. It's Sunday and we are painting today. It's a little straighter. So this is a jar lid. This is what they look like. Just a tin jar lid. They're so fun to pour on. I have so many of them, and you know what? It gives me some practice and I like doing them. So I've got Golden Turquoise, Hippie Crafters Purple, and TLP Flamingle. And I'm using my awesome Pebeo Titanium White with Payne's Gray from Amsterdam CIL Activators. These are the two that I have the best luck with. I have been experimenting with Glue-All and American Floetrol with the stinky Min Wax, and I keep coming back to this one. This is the one I have the best luck with. So we've got everything ready, and now we blow this out. Usually doesn't take me that long, but I'm just making sure I get some blue showing everywhere. Seems to be hiding. But it looks like we're ready to spin. Just giving it one more blow in the middle. I think they're all coming back. All right, now we spin it out. And I go slowly at first, spinning one way. And then the next time I'll spin the opposite way. So that way the paint spreads out evenly and doesn't all go to one side. I know some people do it the other way. This is what I like. And you can see the bloom is opening up. The colors are coming up. Looks good so far. These are a really, really cheap way to practice too. Like if you want to spend a little bit, like a couple bucks on a jar, you can paint the lid. And it gives you practice for whatever technique you want to do on it. And this is what I do. I have sets with coasters and trivets done also. Spent the better part of the last 6 months of last year doing sets, which was great because I got to practice my blooms and sold some at my craft fairs. And you get to be creative with the colors because that's the exciting part, because you don't know what colors are going to go together. So you throw something all together and it's like, what? Like this is so vibrant. Just need more of the white off. And it'll come. Keep spinning. And that's the white CIL activator is what I'm talking about. See how it's come over now? And the other way. I don't have to do the other lid here yet. Yeah, look at those colors. There's TLP Flamingle in there, but it just disappears. But it does give some sparkle in there for that, which is good. Still need this to come over. Hopefully it's going to come. Yeah, it's coming now. Get rid of some of this because I don't want to wear it. All right, here we go, some more. Sometimes the paints are half asleep, it seems. That was a good one. Maybe that'll do it. More than enough spun off. It's thin enough. If you don't have it thin enough and the center moves, then that means your painting might move. And you don't want that. So you just have to make sure that you spin enough off and the center stays put. Now, I don't know if it's moving at all. It's hard to see. Well, a couple more spins, and then we'll have to take it as it is. Just didn't come all the way over. Did that do it? No. Okay, the other way. Maybe now? Oh, it's getting there, closer. It's almost there. Oh my. 7 minutes for a lid. Sometimes the paints just don't want to work with you. As these ones are. Very hard to move. Next one, I'll make sure I have enough pillow paint on. That's why you see me blowing all around the edges and stuff, like I don't have to. Oh, it's so close. Get over. Oh, I'm gonna lose the jar. The lid. It was sliding. All right, well, this is gonna have to stay as it is. I'll have to camouflage it by bringing some of the lines down. Yeah, I don't think there's enough to bring it. Last spin. That golden turquoise is just amazing color. Love it. All right, it is what it is. Let's see if we can get it off and bring it up to you. Oh, that was easy. Wow. Yeah. Pretty amazing little guy. And they're so popular. Oops, there's a little goober. I gotta do an inspection here before I put it aside to dry. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button. Show me that you're enjoying what I am creating. I'm having fun doing these, and I hope you guys have fun watching it and take some of the tips and try them yourselves. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I appreciate everybody who is joining. I'm getting a lot more comments and compliments and questions. Feel free to ask anything you need to know. I will have everything I use listed in the description box. So if you want to know what I use for my pouring medium, I will have that in the description box. So that's where you have to go. something for my cell activator. That'll be in the description box. So thank you again for stopping in and watching. Do all the good stuff and come back and see what I'm going to pour on next. Take care, everyone, and have a great day.